Hello, students. Last time, from this chapter hydrocarbons, we had started to study alkane. In alkane, we had studied preparation methods of alkane. That is, we had studied how alkanes are prepared by using different methods. Today, we will study nomenclature of alkane. That is how names of different alkanes can be given. So one of the important system to give the names of alkane is IUPAC nomenclature, that is IUPAC names. This is widely and rapidly used, this nomenclature system, for all types of organic compounds. Alkanes are very simple type of organic compounds, and we will study this what is IUPAC nomenclature. The long form of IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. In short, it is called as a IUPAC. This was founded in 1919, and the systematic method of nomenclature of organic compounds was developed under its banner. So this system of nomenclature is accepted widely, used all over world today, and this system gives the unique name of each organic compound. So the same name cannot be repeated for the different organic compound. It is a unique system to give the nomenclature of all types of organic compounds. To arrive at the IUPAC name of organic compound, the structure is considered to be made of three main parts. So which are these three parts while giving the names? First part is parent hydrocarbon, second part is a branch, and third part is a functional group. So remember, this is very important. While giving IUPAC name, we have to consider three parts for the organic compound. One is parent hydrocarbon chain, second is branches present on that chain, that is called as a side chain or the branch, and third part is a functional group. We had already studied that different types of functional group present in organic compound like halide, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, etc. The IUPAC name of the compound is obtained by modifying the name of its parent hydrocarbon, and then the name of branch and the functional group is incorporated as a prefix or a suffix. So the rules are given by IUPAC for this nomenclature. We consider the rules for nomenclature of different organic compounds. First, we will study for saturated, then we will study for unsaturated, and then we will study for monocyclic hydrocarbons, the simple mono and polyfunctional compounds, and substituted benzene in the next part of this lecture. The IUPAC name of the straight chain alkanes. The homologous series of alkane. We know homologous series very well. Homologous series means a series of organic compound that contains a similar type of organic compound having same general formula, and successive member differ by CH2 group, that is methylene group. So Here are the first 20 names of alkanes are given. These are starting from carbon number 1 to carbon number 20. Here the carbon number is given in the first part of this column. Then second column consists of the molecular formula. We know general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. By using this general formula, we can prepare this molecular formula from the number of carbon atoms. So N is number of carbon atom from this general formula CnH2n plus 2. Then it is a condensed formula we had studied in one of the lecture, how condensed formula can be written. And last column consists of IUPAC name. So if carbon number 1, then CnH2n plus 2, that is carbon 1, N number is 1. Then H2n, so N is 1, therefore 2 into 1 plus 2, it is 2 plus 2, it is a 4. So molecular formula obtained is CH4 and the condensed formula is same CH4, name is methane. The second alkane with 2 carbon atom, from the general formula, if we substitute the value of N as a 2, then carbon number will be 2. If we substitute H2n plus 2, here the carbon N number is 2. So it is 2 into 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So C2H6 is ethane and the condensed formula can be written as CH3 single bond CH3 and the name is ethane. Similarly, 3 carbon containing alkane general formula, molecular formula is C3H8, condensed formula is CH3, CH2, CH3. It is propane. Similarly, butane, C4H10, then C5H12, C6H14, C7H16, C8H18, C9H20, C10H22. Like this, we can obtain the different molecular formulae just by substituting the value of N, means value of carbon number. This is the formula of alkane containing 20 carbon atom, that is N number is 20. So simply just double the number of carbon atom and add 2. So we get the hydrogen number. So if it is 2 carbon, then hydrogen number will be 6. That is double of 2 is 4 plus 2 is a 6. If it is 20 carbon atom, then it is hydrogen number will be 42. If 10 carbon atoms, then the double of 10 is 20 plus 2. So it is a C20H22. So we can obtain easily this formula for 50 carbon containing also, that is C50H102. Similarly, 100 carbon containing alkane is C100H202. Just double the number of carbon and add 2. So we get the molecular formula of corresponding alkane by using the N number. And the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Remember this well. So these are the condensed formula. It is very simple to write the condensed formula of different alkanes. If you observe carefully, then here in propane, there is one CH2 group. Then in butane, there are two CH2 group. In pentane, 3 CH2 groups. In hexane, 4 CH2 groups. Simply CH2 number will be increasing as we go from methane to this homologous series of alkane. Simply this CH2 number will be increasing, means each member differ by only CH2 group. So just by increasing CH2 group, we can write the condensed formula for different alkanes. One more important thing is that you remember this first 20 names of alkane. These are methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane, undecane, dodecane, tridecane, tetradecane, pentadecane, hexadecane, heptadecane, octadecane, nonadecane, and icosane. You have to remember all these 20 names for first 20 alkanes. The meaning of meth is one carbon containing alkane. Then eth means 2, prop means 3, but means 4, pent means 5, hex means 6, hept means 7, oct means 8, non means 9, dec means 10, undec means 11, dodec means 12, tri means 13. So tridec is 13, tetradeck is 14, like this, pentadeck is 15. So in this way, you have to remember the names of first 20 alkanes. The IUPAC name of branched chain saturated hydrocarbons. This we will study in the next part of the lecture. Thank you.